What's up, YouTube? Battle to be Molar. Another site, another sill plate. Gonna prep this slab, go down there, show you how we put some insulation in. Plumber just passed his roughing inspection yesterday, so that's awesome. We'll get this slab poured for you very soon here.
Story, what you're doing is way more real than you're doing. In fact, it's actually more real than life. It's beyond comprehension. The town is all messy. I mean, it was very messy. He didn't really care. And I saw him draw that and that's unbelievable. I can't believe you do that because it's
99% on our sill, waiting for our LVLs like everyone else in the world, so that we can have header for garage and then run our sill plate over that, so that we can put our whole floor on. Waiting for our LVLs and our 14-inch joists. So we're prepping slab. Got all our 2-inch insulation around the parts of our basement slab that we want to insulate that much better. 5-inch slab, so a lot of concrete. 7 inches below top of slab was what we prepped gravel to right here, so we'd have room for our insulation. From the end of that last piece of insulation out the garage, we're going to have some slope, 2 inches of difference between top of slab here and that form where you'll enter the garage, so everything can kind of slope back out off of this partition wall. Lots of data given you guys, but real good day. Weather stayed really nice for us. It's awesome working by that lake when the weather is cooperating with you. All the gravel that you see technically is the garage. There'll be a wall right here with a door going up into the stairs. Stairs on this wall 3 feet over will lead you up into the main floor. And in between the stairs and this partition wall is going to be a hallway. The washer dryer are going to be right here in this hallway, and then there'll be a little private door right here. Open this door, you'll have your toilet, and underneath the stairs, the hot water heater, tankless water heater will sit. We'll do all our venting up and out that wall. Inspection's called. The slab's ready to get poured up. Didn't take too long with some speed ties and 2 guys know what they're doing. And then we made a landing right here, and a landing that our stringers will sit to go upstairs to the top of our deck. Time for that slab. My bad.
foam on your face, and that'll piss you off. So do this a couple times.
Hit him with the MikeDayConcrete.
Yep, I'm giving a shout out to MikeDayConcrete. That guy is a star, man.
Shout out Mike Day. Slab came out awesome. Wish it would have got a little bit more sun. We're supposed to get some snow tonight, so me and Q are gonna cover it with some 6mm. Let it do its thing, come back and do some saw cuts. Got all our vapor down on top of this freshly poured slab. It did do a pretty good job of curing. Just drilled out all our holes for our sill plate. Gonna put this bug screen down, this sill screen, square everything back up, set our bolts, make sure the top's real perfect, get into that first floor system. Looking good around here. Excited to put this kit on. On it, 48 1/4, brother.
Boom.
Got our posts up with our girder on top of it. Pretty good.
Closest next to you. Right there, brother.
Launch drop.
What's that?
Launch drop.
Yep. Meet in the middle.
Good progress, good start. Later in the day, we already poured that slab. Ended on a double pack, some plumbing wall right here. So you don't get blown on. Put that subfloor on. Having fun over here.